That was 50 caliber, the biggest round in the world.
You saw where the excellent. Yeah, we
Lovely.
would have skis, but you know, if people have never even seen a gun before, I'd be fucking terrified. Just shoot it, man.
1 किलोमीटर दूर वहाँ पे टारगेट.
There we go.
एडवेस सोल्जर आपका अपना आर्मी भाई फ्रॉम लास वेगस नवाडा. इंडिया का फ्लैग लास वेगस नवाडा में भी लहरा रहा है. सो राइट नाउ वी आर ऑन द वे टू शूटिंग रेंज. पिछले बार भी हम गए थे, आपने देखा होगा मेरा ब्लॉग. अगर नहीं देखा तो प्लीज़ जाइए देखिए. बहुत ही बढ़िया से हमने 50 कैलिबर पिस्टल AR सारी राइफल से शूट किया था. सो नाउ वी गोइंग बैक अगेन टू सम अदर लोकेशन, बट ये बड़ा रोमांचक होने वाला है. दिस इज़ गोना बी फन बिकॉज ये जो शूटिंग होने वाली है ये कुछ खास तरीके से होने वाली है और आई होप आप सभी को पसंद आएगा. सो प्लीज़ पूरा ब्लॉग देखना मत भूलना, बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. शायद से ये ब्लॉग 2 एपिसोड्स में होगा, बट येस दोनों भी देखना मत भूलना भाई, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त होगा. लव यू ऑल, स्टे ट्यून. अभी हम वॉक कर रहे हैं सर्कस की ओर, जहाँ पर हमारा पिकअप पॉइंट है. बिकॉज पता नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे होटल में पिकअप करते नहीं है. सो लेट्स गो देयर एंड हैव सम फन. ये सामने कार दिखाई दे रही है, इसके अंदर हमको जाना है.
As far as the main rotor blades are concerned, as they're spinning, we're not going to stop at the edge of the rotor blades, right? We're going to walk all the way up to the aircraft where we can make sure that movement, and we're going to stop right here, right to the left-hand side of the nose of the helicopter. Everything with the normal operations happens right here. So loading, unloading, the shooting weapon system is going to happen off the left-hand side. The right side stays closed.
Briefing चल रही है, briefing.
And I'll talk about that here momentarily. The second half of the course is going to be the tail rotor.
पहुंच गया है
All right, guys.
यहाँ पे.
Welcome to Helicopters. My name's David. This is Frankie. He's down there. Now, while you're out here, this is the smoker thing right here. Okay, we're going to line up. Big T box, only cigarettes going here. Okay, just keep it in this general area. Okay. Now, the stairs right behind you. Red line. Right behind me. Right to the big box. All right. Now that you're inside, stay inside that box. We're obviously going to land over here. Walking into a rotor blade kind of fucking sucks, so we'll just avoid doing that. And then we also fly directly above the driveway. All right. People like to take down, take photos, go to the vehicle, but we have to land there. Also, a really cheap place to be. Cool. All right. Now, if we don't have life protection means just something like eyeballs, glasses, or sunglasses work. Before we walk out for shoot guns or get an helicopter, we'll make sure we have it for you. If you have extras, so just let us know if you need it. Okay. Cool. You can bring you guys over here. So, ladies' restroom is going to be inside, ground door straight back. Men's restroom, ground door straight back on the outside. Okay. Now, inside the building, there's a water cooler with foam cups next to it. You have water bottle, stay hydrated. It's a little bigger. So, here it's water. Just find us some really. Okay. All right. Now, see your backpack. I'm sticking out a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Is anybody medical professional? ET firefighters, doctors. All right, brother. It's your day off, right? You're staying your day off. If you see a gun and try to get around someone's neck, just grab a fucking rock and throw it in my head. All right. Now, if anybody gets hurt, doesn't matter how big, how small, we will take lead. Just raise your hand, let us know, and we'll help you out. Okay. That red backpack, that's our trauma kit. You know where it's at, so if we're actually helping someone out, you bring it to us if we ask you. All right. Don't get freaked out. We've never seen an accident because people driven, grab a hot barrel, and shit like that. Turn off the regular weapon kit. All right. Now, it's getting warm out, which means snakes, scorpions, spiders are going to start coming out. We got rattlesnakes, a bunch of shit you want to get stung or bit by. All right. They like to hide, so if you drop anything around the cracks of the buildings, under rocks, under sandbags, look before you reach. Never reach from underneath, top up. Okay. If you see something, don't try to fucking touch it. All right. Please don't work down. Okay.
Good job.
Any questions? All right. You know, check everyone's ID. All right. Sweet. Use the restroom.
लैंडिंग पैड है भैया यहाँ पर. ये पास तो टैंक वैंक भी गड़े भाई. टैंक वैंक का शूटिंग करना तो भी आ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम होगा हमारा टैंक. हम करेंगे टैंक. सही है भाई, सही मजा आएंगे.
All right, we know how to fix a lot, but we have no fucking idea how to fix eyeballs. All right. We're also going to provide you with hearing protection. Just once we tell you to put them on, don't take them off until we give you that thumbs up. Okay. Now, it is Vegas. People try. You are allowed to take pictures and video, my one rule is if you're trying to shoot a gun, no fucking selfies. All right, that's how you shoot yourself. Just have your counterpart record while you shoot. Okay. Now for small arms, any orange target behind me, you can shoot. The tires to the right are targets as well. Try to stay within that dirt berm. If you happen to go left, right, or above, that's okay. Just readjust, re-engage. Just don't shoot yourself for me, and I'm happy. Okay? All right. Now, fair is going to be a separate brief, but last but not least, trauma kit, same thing I talked about, is going to be right here. You get hurt, raise your hand. If you want to have it kissed better, he's the one to ask. Okay? Do we have any questions?
What was his name?
James.
So the first shooter goes in now, like this, AR के साथ. और अभी अपना नंबर भी आएगा.
They just get fancy, so bring it up, find that dot, squeeze that trigger, hand stop, bring your hand in front, wrap around and make a C clamp, okay?
Sure.
Right hand here, left hand here.
Go, see the dot? You're on semi, squeeze the trigger a few times.
We'll send a couple in semi. Once you come,
There we go.
exaggerate that. Push forward.
One more. Machine gun.
There you go. Yep. You want to just let go of that trigger.
Easy. Let me reload. What you think? Pump it up. You're an automatic, you're good to send it.
Oh yeah. What'd you think? Nice, dude.
Just a second.
Yeah, you're good, brother.
Familiar with the MP5 at all? Right-handed, left-handed. Right hand here, left hand here. If you normally do that C-clamp, these barrels get real hot, so just do a full grip here. Bring the weapon up to you, find the more this like it's not semi, and then we'll go to full auto when you come in.
That's how we do it. Good shoot, man.
Thank you.
Semi down.
बहुत ही आम ही देखो.
All right, brother. F4. We're going to shoot it the exact same way. Hold center, lean further, okay?
Sure.
You're on semi, give me a few rounds.
Auto. Quick fire and just let go of that trigger.
All right, brother. Automatic, you're good. Do it. Let me reload.
Reload?
Are you law enforcement or military?
Yes, sir.
Nice. You have really good etiquette when it comes to firearms. I have people that have never even seen guns before. You're an automatic, you're good to go.
Right hand, red dot, ignore that. Send a couple in center. Okay. There you go. On you.
All right, brother.
Thank you,
Gonna
sir.
grab
All right, sir, you got one shot. We're in cinematic mode, and I was like, I panicked.
Boom, boom.
Great job.
All right, so semi-auto 12 gauge, super easy to shoot. Fast as you can pull the trigger, just lean in, hold tight. We're
Sure,
good to
sure.
go, okay? Alrighty, brother.
Same target?
Same, any target. Yep, you're good to go, man. Shoot. Yeah, we would
Lovely.
have skis, but you know, if people have never even seen a gun before, I'd be fucking terrified to shoot it, man. As soon as Frankie's ready for you, he's gonna pull you on that bird, okay?
For sure, for sure. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Look at the amount of rounds they have here. Khali case, khali खोका. तो फ्रेंड्स में तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. अभी वो चलाएंगे हम लोग 50 कैलिबर. Fun. इधर 1 किलोमीटर दूर वहाँ पे टारगेट. अभी अपना नंबर आ गया.
All right, so go ahead, lay it right there behind it. Nice and tight up against your shoulder here. There you go. You see those orange plates up there?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you need to go left or right, move the whole weapon left or right. If you need to go up or down on the crosshairs, use your left hand here. Twist this rod right below you. Let me take your hand. Back here. Nope, bring it down lower. Right here. Do you need to go up or down?
Which one are you shooting on?
The bottom right orange plate.
Orange plate?
Yep.
A little down.
You need to go down, take that left hand, twist the rod that's right below you. Nope. There you, right here. There you go.
Yes, we're right on that. Yes, sir.
You're on target.
The orange, half
Yep.
what?
Yep, the orange plate.
Yes, sir.
All right, and then keep that left hand back there. You got 3 shots. Still on target?
On target.
All right, 3 shots on you, nice and tight in that shoulder. Send it.
Nice.
Nice. One more. Oh yeah. 3 for 3. What'd you think?
3 for 3.
Yep. Awesome.
Thank you.
Ready?
That was 50 caliber. The biggest round in the world.
So you saw where the target was up there? Yeah. All right. Nice and tight against your shoulder there. Like that. Right about there.
टारगेट वो दूर सामने में है वहाँ पे लगभग 1 से 1.5 किलोमीटर दूर उतना दूर टारगेट पे शूट करना है.
You need to go left or right. Just move the whole weapon left or right.
Alicia's hand and it's lovely.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. Can't keep it. But yeah.
बहुत बड़ा राउंड है भाई, हाथ के जितना. एंड इट्स ह्यूज बिग. उतना ही जोरदार. एक शॉट में बंदा, मतलब बंदा क्या, हाथी मर जाएगा इसमें.
Hey, you guys, make sure you give a big thank you to, we got James and David and Franco down here.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
We're going to be heading back up to the flight range to get the helicopter on site. Please make sure you use the little girls, little boys room because the flight attendant in the bathroom on the aircraft is down. No.
चलो हेलीकॉप्टर राइड. हेलीकॉप्टर आने वाला है. आई गेस आ गया है. आवाज तो आ रहा है, बस आते ही आपको बताता हूँ. उसके अंदर बैठेंगे, शूटिंग करेंगे एंड देन वी बैक ऑन द ग्राउंड अगेन। सो अभी तक आपको जो ग्राउंड शूटिंग थी अच्छी लगी होगी। मुझे तो 50 कैलिबर से बेस्ट और कुछ नहीं लगता भाई। 50 कैलिबर इज द बेस्ट वन। एक शॉट बूम, बंदा यार सारा हाथी मर जाए इससे। डायनासोर को कैसे मारा है पता है? पहले डायनासोर जो थे ना उनको बहुत परेशान कर रहे थे, ऐसे मारा है। अभी लोड अप चल रहा है। Franco, this is 5.56, right?
Yep, 5.56. Yep. When can I get a snack? A snack. So here in the fridge, I want you to give me nice long bursts. All right. We all are past problems. Skip the foreplay, get straight to the point. Right. So you're all the way on. I want you to just count to 5. Let go of the trigger. Do it again. You can also say, "Run, fluffy bunny, run! Die, motherfucker, die!" Right. Run the gun hard. Okay. What we do not want is short. And then the drill.
वो है अपना हेलीकॉप्टर, दैट्स आर हेलीकॉप्टर। देख रहा है सब जगह, सब ठीक है ना? दुश्मन चेक कर रहा है। ही इज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड सम एनिमीज फॉर अस। ही इज लुकिंग आउट फॉर एनिमीज। ही इज लुकिंग आउट फॉर एनिमीज, देन ही विल कम बैक हियर।
That's just one, right?
आजा भाई आजा। ये है वो 5.56 की मशीन गन जिसको हम लोग शूट करने वाले हैं, जिससे हम लोग शूट करने वाले हैं। और वो हेलीकॉप्टर पूरा घूम करके, पूरा देख करके एरिया अभी आएगा, यहाँ पे लैंड करेगा इस जगह पे। आजा भाई जल्दी आजा यार।
कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
फाइनली आ गया भाई अपना हेलीकॉप्टर। उधर वो गन जा रही है, राइफल मशीन गन। अभी गन का लोडिंग चलेगा, गन उसके अंदर फिट होगी, उसके बाद में भी वहाँ से गन बुर जाएगी बंदों को लेकर के 1 by 1। आई मीन 2 बंदे एक साथ, एक बार में 2 बंदे शूट करेंगे, वापस जाएंगे। देखना मत भूलिए पूरा का पूरा ब्लॉग, मज़ा आएगा बहुत।